We've probably all seen examples of trash on a beach or seashore. A stray bottle, a candy wrapper, cigarette butts, even a fishing net or a float, or a larger object that leaves you shaking your head wondering how it got there. Did you know that this material has a special name, marine debris, and that it is considered a major environmental problem across the globe? Let's take a closer look at this problem, including its implications for the oil and gas and maritime industries, and the steps that industry is taking to solve it. Today, no marine environment is free of man-made debris. It's found even in the deepest oceans and on the beaches of the most remote and pristine islands. These days, however, our waste stream increasingly consists of materials that biodegrade slowly, if at all. For instance, did you know that aluminum cans take up to 100 years to biodegrade, while a glass bottle will last for up to 1,000,000 years? We can think of it as a permanent addition to the environment.